Kate here at WTI, and if you're a cuddler like I am, then you're gonna love this two-seater outdoor chair from Land Mountain. I am always pulling up my chair beside my husband and putting my legs on him, even outside, poor guy. And this has made it so much easier. I love that you have so much space in here. Even if you're sitting solo, it just gives you extra room. You can put your feet up, you can have your dog sit beside you. Really comfortable and convenient. It comes with a carrying bag, so you can take it absolutely anywhere. It just collapses right up. You don't have to fiddle with anything. It gets put away super easy. Both sides have their own cup holder, which is very convenient, as well as a spot for a stemmed wine glass. Talk about classy camping. It's nicely stitched, really reinforced. The material is great. It's wipeable. It is outside, so that's really nice. Even if it's dirty or wet or whatever, it's going to dry up and clean up really nice. So if you're looking for similar, I think you'll really like the quality of this one and you'll be as impressed as we are, and that's my point of view.